Now to the vision. If you watched the previous video, you'll see how I showed you how our current AI website builder works, but it does not show the entire big picture. So this is our proposed UI of our AI Site Studio by Staq. How it will work is that you'll select a new project and you can either build a brand new website or rebuild an existing website. Let's go down the path of rebuilding an existing client website. You can fetch your existing sitemap. You can then connect it to your Google Analytics, Google Search Console, or Microsoft Clarity account to pull in that data so that our AI knows what priority and what pages that it should focus on based on the results that you currently get. Now, this is the advanced form. We're going to have a simple form and an advanced form, but this is the advanced form where it's like a veteran in the branding and design world is asking you questions in order to formulate the entire website strategy. So it's going to ask everything about the business, the locations, target audience, top of funnel services, the unique differentiator about the business, the brand voice, to common objections, customer pain points, the customer journey, competitor websites, what you do that your competitors don't do, case studies and testimonials and social proofs, and assessing your Google reviews as well. To your primary objective of the website, is it lead generation, e-commerce, etc., etc. To then your marketing approach, and then the design and branding elements. We're looking at SEO and accessibility as well. And then from there, it will then generate this website. Now, obviously, this is just a UI UX purely for design purposes. And then what would happen is, let me just space this all out just to make it clean. This is not the design, obviously, it's an ugly design, but you get the point. And the idea is you can then, as an agency, select up to 3 designs, whether you want a professional, luxury, or playful design, for example. You can then get your client to review those 3 designs and let them choose the style direction. Then, if you want to make changes to this, you can use the AI prompt to then vibe code your way to changing certain things. And then you have a sitemap. So as you build out each page, now for example, you want to build out the team page. So you can click this, and either you can let AI decide, or if it's an existing website, let AI extract the current content, or extract the current content but enhance it with certain instructions, or you let AI interview you. So you can either go through a chat conversation so it understands it's a team page. So you might have a team of 5. Do you want to include photos? Photos. Show role descriptions, etc., etc. And then based on this information, it can generate your website or web page, and then you can build out per page. From there, you've got your page settings. So for example, you want to focus on meta tags and meta description, so you can easily change it in one screen. You've got certain global, where you want to change fonts, for example. And then once you are done with your work, you can then share this with your client. And then from there, you can decide how many revisions based on the scope and what you're charging them, and what's the expiry per revision. So you might give them 14 days per round, for example. Then you send that off to the client. Now, your client will receive an email, and you'll notice top left-hand corner, it says Digital Engine. That was my former agency, and I've just used that as a placeholder. So imagine your agency logo there. Your client will see a walkthrough, and they can follow the steps. So just for now, I'll just skip it. And then as they review, they can check what's the preferred style, and imagine this would change to 3 different looks, and then they can confirm. And say, for example, they don't want the word get started. They can just click on it and say, change to contact us. And so they can leave comments. They can change it based on device, and it will treat the comments separately for each device as well. And then they can go through the sitemap and add all their comments. Once they're done, they can click Submit Review. You as the agency will then will receive an email, say your client has reviewed and provided feedback. You can then go to your existing designs and find that the status says feedback. Then you can see all their feedback based on the section, the device, and once you have done it, you can click resolve. Now, into the future, what we want to do is the AI can actually go ahead and make those changes for you. Then once you are done, you can resolve all your comments and send back to client. Now that your client is happy with those changes you've made, they can approve the project. You can load your own terms and conditions and sign off. The idea behind this is that it will produce a PDF like this, where it would include the client's IP address, date of signature, the whole history of the requests that they have made, with when you've applied your changes, etc., etc. So it's a complete log, just in case anything goes pear-shaped, you've got all the details within the system. And then once they've approved, you can then deploy. You can then select your region, whether it's Australia, the UK, and the US. And you might already have a blueprint website inside Staq. And so then you can select your blueprint website and then click deploy. And as you saw in the previous video, it will go ahead and build that website, and then you can get stuck into it just to make sure everything's all good. You might want to put your own changes, might want to add additional pages, but essentially you have the entire flow from start to finish when it comes to designing, building, and deploying, and then eventually taking it to production on Staq. And then as time goes on, you've got the management capabilities of Staq, where you can automate your billing, your client PDF reports, backups are automated, security in the firewall is automatically configured, you've got caching and optimization already built in. So Staq is the complete product from start to finish, where not only are we saving you time in building a website and building a stunning website, but it's got all the management capabilities where you might want to migrate all your existing WordPress site into one platform. Each digital agency on average is saving around 20 minutes per website per month, despite having any other third-party management tools, because Staq has built everything natively for the platform for automation and efficiency, where everything works together. And that is very unique in the WordPress ecosystem. If you want to follow our journey, fill in the waitlist form and we will keep you informed with our progress along when you can get access to our AI website builder by Staq. And I'm so excited for you to test our new AI website builder once it's available. Thank you.